This is going to be my one and only warning why to not try dropshipping. People go to AliExpress, look for product, they buy it at $1 and they sell at $25. These guys made 448,000 sales. Amazing. I will let you find out the profit. However, lots of scholars say that dropshipping is haram because sellers don't possess the product. Even if it was halal, regular AliExpress sellers deliver products in 3 to 6 weeks. Your customers won't wait and the purchases will end up in refund and you will never make profit out of it. But don't worry, there is a better way to do it. Go to your local business listing pages or just go to Google Business, find local suppliers, show them your desired product, order samples, sell and deliver to your customers on time. If everything goes well, you will make real profit. But hey, if this sounds like a lot of work, then you can try high-ticket affiliate marketing with AI and automated funnel using free traffic. And the best part is our high-ticket affiliate marketing system is 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.